Hello, I'm ANEKA from Made to Sew and welcome to my Sewing for Beginners series. In this short video, I'm going to be showing you how to collect the bobbin thread to make sure that you have both the needle and the bobbin thread underneath the presser foot ready to start sewing. If you need any help with threading your machine or bobbin, follow the link here to my Sewing for Beginners playlist. So we've got to the point where you've threaded the needle on your sewing machine and you've also managed to insert the bobbin. Whether it's a front-loading bobbin like on this machine or a top-loading bobbin. The next step is the same. We need to collect the bobbin thread to bring it up above the sewing machine plate here to join our needle thread. How do we do that? Now it doesn't matter here if you have the bobbin door closed. I prefer to collect the bobbin thread with the plastic casing off so that it doesn't prevent the bobbin thread from being collected. What you're going to want to do is to hold on tightly to your needle thread. You need to hold on to this really tightly in one hand. Now with the other hand, you're going to go to the wheel on this right hand side of the sewing machine and you're going to turn that towards you. As you turn that towards you, the needle is going to move and you're going to want the needle to go all the way down and then all the way back up, just like so. Once the needle has come back up, you should be able to either pull on this thread in your left hand, so the needle thread, and you should see that underneath the foot, the bobbin thread starts to appear, just like so. And there is my bobbin thread. Now you can sometimes find that the bobbin thread gets sort of stuck underneath the presser foot. All I tend to do in those cases is to grab a little pair of scissors, your unpicker, something like that, where you can just hook underneath the presser foot to pull it out. Sometimes you do need to sort of lift it up so that the thread from the bobbin comes above the presser foot. Collect both threads, put them under the presser foot out of the way, and replace the bobbin cover. Then you should be able to pull on the bobbin thread and have both threads towards the side or the back of the sewing machine, ready to start sewing. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching.